Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am Shikha Joshi. Today we'll do something with these pencil colors. Now these are water-based, water-soluble pencil colors which I'm using, but I will tell you only you can use simple watercolors, simple pencils to do this drawing also. So I have just created a flower and we'll do shading in this. Before we start, if you are new to the channel, I want you all to subscribe the channel. And if you are already a subscriber, do like, share and comment. Let's start everyone. For this what I am doing is I have done a basic sketch of my flower and then I am using these purple, pink, red, white and yellow pencil colors to create an effect in the flower, to do the shading in the flower. So I'm starting with the basic pink color and I'll be giving the strokes here. So in a very soft manner, I'll just give the strokes. I'll start with the strokes. We'll be using a lot of shades in it, a lot of shades of pink, purple, and basic start is like I'm just starting with it. Here I'm leaving a little bit of white space so that we can give the depth and the highlighting part. So I'm just starting with the very basic and then I'll tell you how to give the shades in it. Now from the center point, we will be giving some depth. Because this is the inner part, that's why. Now this part, upper part will be a little darker, center it will be a little lighter and then again it will be a lot of dark shades over here. So then it will give you a gradation. Now I've almost completed my shading, and what we will do is we can give the background color with pencil colors. I'll give it with some watercolors. So we require some clear water, my watercolor cakes, and a brush. So I'll just tell you how to give an effect with water. What we'll do is we'll just take some water and we'll just put it around it. Now be careful, as my colors are like, I have to be very careful. My colors are water soluble. I can even give a merging effect if I dip it. So I'm using the blue color. I'll just use the blue color around it. And I'll just merge it. With the water we have to merge it, that is very important. Without merging it will not give that a beautiful effect. Now again, this step is completely optional. If you want to do it, you can do it. If you want to leave it like that, you can do it. You want to use pencil colors only to give this effect, you can do that also. Around it, and then we'll merge it. Remove excess of water and merge it. Be aware of these minute details. Don't leave the space, just merge the color, that is very important. Now these watercolors, what happens is when you color them, they tend to become more lighter. So just don't worry that it's too dark. It's not at all dark. When I'll merge it, mix it, what you can see is, you can see complete lighter effect. And we have to leave it to dry. That is also very important. We have to leave it to dry. Now in case you want to add some details, what we'll do is we'll take some more color. Like this part, I want to add some details. I'll just add some color and you have to just merge it. Now we have to make sure we have to leave it to dry. Okay, and then only it will give a beautiful impact and effect. Now my color pencils are water soluble, so if I use a wet brush on it, it will be merged also. So you can do that work also, in case it's water soluble. And in case it's not water soluble, then don't do that on it. So just to give an effect, if you have a water soluble pencil, I'll just show you a little bit of effect. And my painting is ready. I hope you all enjoyed making it, watching it. Do make it, try it, and do share it on our Insta and Facebook page. Stay happy, everyone. That's very important. Keep trying new mediums. We'll come up more on it. And do subscribe the channel if you haven't done it till now. Bye everyone. Take care. Stay happy and stay safe.